So, ang dami ko pang gagawin ngayon. Um, Kailangan kong tapusin yung proposal namin for outreach program para sa CES. Kailangan ko ding i-print, pero sira yung printer ko ngayon. So, I have to bring my printer to Enigma, have it fixed, and continue on with the proposal. So, what's time is it? It's 8:30 and I haven't done anything yet. Ano ba? I have to go to Bakaking at 1 o'clock p.m. I'll be there 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and I'll be back here maybe at 4, take a quick shower, and go to church. And after that, go to church at 4:30, and matapos siguro yun ng 6. Tapos pupunta na sa SM. Ibilang mga baon ko for tomorrow, for the whole week. And yeah, I have to plan surprise at hindi ko pa nasisimulan. Wala pang nakakontak na tao. Yeah, it'll be a busy day for me. Meron pa akong quiz. Quiz and assignment on Tuesday. It's a Sunday today. And I have I have to get EM. Kailangan na namin simulan yung assignment para doon. Kasi masyadong mahaba at absent ako dun sa makeup class. Nakalimutan ko. So, yun ang mangyayari sa buong araw ngayon. So far, nagagawa ko pa lang yung mga insignificant. So, kapapanood ko pa lang ng videos sa YouTube, which I normally do to start my day. I'm listening to music to wake up my body. I'm doing a video, and I have to make a video about what I learned in church. So, yeah, it will be a busy day, but it will be okay. And I have to clean my room. It's getting messy again. So I have to clean my room. And I have to take a bath. So yeah, that's it. Lahat mangyayari sa araw ko ngayon.